Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of motherboards with a review of the MSI MAG X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. This motherboard is packed with exclusive features, so let's see what makes it stand out. Let's start with the unboxing. The packaging is sleek and sturdy, giving you that premium feel right off the bat. Inside, we have a Wi-Fi antenna, the motherboard itself, a user manual and documentation, cable sticker, SATA cables, USB drive, Easy M.2 Clip 2, Easy M.2 Clip 2 remover, M.2 plate screw, Easy connection cable, and Easy front panel cable. The first thing you'll notice is the robust build quality. MSI has outdone themselves with the design, featuring a black finish and steel armor that screams durability. Now, let's talk about the features that make the MSI MAG X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi stand out. The pre-installed I/O shield offers a streamlined and hassle-free installation experience by eliminating the need to manually fit the I/O shield during motherboard setup. With its built-in design, it ensures proper alignment and a secure fit, providing both protection and convenience while enhancing the overall durability of your build. The 14+2+1 duet rail power system with 80 ampere SPS unleashes and sustains maximum performance with a flagship VRM design. This motherboard provides stable power for high-end processors. The Easy M.2 Shield Frozer feature makes M.2 installation seamless. Simply insert the SSD into the slot and press it down to lock it in place with the clip. To remove the SSD, click the clip outwards and it's done. The Easy PCIe release is an easy-to-access physical button release mechanism that can help remove any PCIe card with a single tap, making it much easier to upgrade to a new GPU or other compatible devices. Compared to the previous generation, Steel Armor 2's weight endurance has increased, ensuring excellent signal transmission quality. Keeping your system cool is crucial, and the MSI MAG X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi has some impressive thermal solutions. The MSI Combo Fan Header is a versatile component, functioning as both a pump and fan header. The header will automatically detect whether it is either a pump or a PWM or DC fan, with its distinctive gray color ensuring easy identification. The extended heatsink enlarges the surface of heat dissipation and maintains performance under heavy loads. High-quality 7 watts per meter Kelvin MOSFET thermal pads and additional choke thermal pads ensure stable performance when all cores are running at high speed. The double-sided M.2 Shield Frozer is a strengthened M.2 thermal solution that helps keep SSDs safe and ensures incredible performance. Additionally, the 8-layer server-grade PCB design has been optimized for higher bandwidth and faster transfer speeds, which is also beneficial for reliable circuit transmission. Connectivity is key, and the MSI MAG X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi doesn't disappoint. The MSI motherboards incorporate the latest USB 4 technology, offering users the full range of benefits like a transfer rate of up to 40 gigabytes per second, multiple device connectivity, and dynamic bandwidth sharing. MSI's premium solution provides incredible data transfer speed for network-demanding users with 5G LAN and Wi-Fi 7. This motherboard supports 2 Gen 5 and 2 Gen 4 storage, allowing users to connect any ultra-fast storage devices. Combined with a dedicated SMT welding process and MSI Memory Boost technology, Memory Boost supports the speed of the latest DDR5 memory. Also, with latency killer feature to fix high DDR5 memory latency. Doubling over the previous generation, the bandwidth of an X16 interface can reach 128 gigabytes per second with Lightning Gen 5 support. Performance-wise, The MSI MAG X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is a powerhouse. It's designed to support AMD Ryzen 9000 series processors. During our tests, we saw excellent performance in both gaming and productivity tasks. The VRM stayed cool thanks to the advanced thermal solutions, and the system remained stable even during overclocking. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros include excellent build quality and design, future-proofing with PCIe Gen 5 and Wi-Fi 7, user-friendly easy DIY features, and great thermal performance. On the downside, it is slightly pricey compared to other mid-range motherboards and has limited PCIe 5.0 lanes and Gen 5 M.2 slot options. So, is the MSI MAG X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi worth it? If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance motherboard with all the latest features, this is a good choice. It might be a bit on the pricier side, but the features and performance it offers make it a worthy investment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.